In Cranberries Unveiled, we go into great detail about their health benefits, everyday uses, and tasty recipes. Hello, people who are into health. Thanks for coming back to Herbalist channel. We're going to learn a lot about cranberries today. These little red powerhouses are not only delicious but also very good for you in many ways. Montage of cranberry bogs, cranberries being picked, and different cranberry goods. Good for your health. Let's start by talking about how great cherries are for your health. Cranberries have a lot of antioxidants, especially vitamin C, which helps the defense system work well and fights free radicals. Studies show that eating cranberries on a daily basis may be good for your heart, by lowering your risk of heart disease. But that's not all. The chemicals in cranberries have also been linked to healthy urinary tracts, fewer diseases, and better health in general. Tip for everyday use. Finally, let's talk about how you can use cranberries every day to get the most health benefits. Start your day off right with a cool cranberry smoothie. To make it, blend fresh or frozen cranberries with yogurt, a banana, and a little almond milk. Time for a snack? Instead of those sweets, try a handful of dried cranberries. They're a healthy option that tastes sweet and sour. As a bonus, don't forget to add cranberries to your salads for extra taste and health benefits. Recipe for everyone. Now, let's look at some tasty recipes that show how versatile cranberries are. See below for quick shots of the ingredients for the cranberry quinoa salad. First up is a cranberry quinoa salad, which is a healthy dish that's great for lunch or a light dinner. Next, go ahead and satisfy your sweet tooth with cranberry oatmeal cookies. These cookies are a guilt-free treat that mix the health benefits of oats with the sour taste of cranberries. The host also suggests our cranberry mint lemonade as a cool drink. It's a fun take on a classic drink. There you have it, everyone. Cranberries aren't just for Thanksgiving. They're a superfood that you can eat all year long to improve your health and taste. More about cranberries. A little about plants. Cranberries are in the genus Vaccinium and are usually called Vaccinium macrocarpon. From North America, they grow on low, trailing plants in sandy, acidic bogs. Nutritional value. Cranberries are high in important nutrients and low in calories. They are a great way to get fiber, vitamin C, and different types of antioxidants. They also have copper, manganese, vitamin E, and vitamin K in them. Antioxidant strengths. Cranberries have a lot of antioxidants that help the body fight toxic stress and inflammation. Urinary tract health. Compounds in cranberries may help keep your urinary tract healthy by stopping germs from sticking to the lining of your urinary tract. Heart health. Eating cranberries on a regular basis may be good for your heart because they lower your risk of heart disease. Immune support. The high amount of vitamin C helps the immune system work. Uses in cooking. Fresh berries. These are used in many recipes, like salads, sauces, and desserts. Dried cranberries are often eaten as a snack or mixed into cereals, soups, and baked goods. Cranberry juice is a cool drink that can also be used in cocktails. Growing cranberries. Most cranberries are grown in bogs or lakes. The berries are picked in the fall, when they turn a bright red color. When the fields are flooded during farming, the berries float to the surface and are easier to pick. Effects on the economy and the environment. Growing cranberries has a big effect on local economies because it creates work and helps businesses. Growing cranberries can also be good for the environment because it helps protect wetland areas and increase biodiversity. Historical significance. Cranberries were first used by Native Americans for both food and medicine. Cranberries were said to have been served at early Thanksgiving meals. Global presence. Cranberries are native to North America, but they are now grown in many countries around the world. They are used in many types of food and have become famous because they are good for you. Research and medical uses. More health benefits of cranberries are being studied, such as their possible ability to fight inflammation and cancer. Cranberries may be good for your gut health, according to some studies. Sustainable practices. To protect the long-term health of cranberry bogs, sustainable cranberry growing practices include managing water, using pesticides in a smart way, and protecting the environment. Not only do cranberries taste great, they are also very healthy. Have a long past. and may give you some health benefits. They can add taste to your food and be good for you at the same time. If you liked today's video, please click like and subscribe for more health tips. Also, let us know in the comments which cranberry recipe you can't wait to try. Until then, stay happy and healthy. It was fun to watch Herbalist channel.